Hi guys!
Hello, good morning. So our mission for June is to show you guys a one-day course in Seoul. So we are going to show you a course in the center of Seoul on line 4. So
Yeah,
you won't
subway line
ever
4.
have to leave line 4.
Just choose a few places. We're gonna show you like what is famous, what is popular in Seoul.
So we are starting our first location here at the Dongdaemun History and Culture Park Station on line number 4, and we are going to get some egg drop for brunch.
This is famous these days because some drama advertising the sandwich. Some people just watch the drama and just want to eat that one.
Anytime something comes out in a drama, it tends to get like pretty popular. So egg drop happens to be one of those. It's basically just an egg sandwich. We're gonna go get one and show you guys how to enjoy your first stop in the morning at Dongdaemun History and Culture Park.
Enjoy your brunch in egg drop.
Let's go!
Let's go!
Myself to hold my hand, standing in the shadows of where we have been, sleeping with your back facing me.
Wow, okay, so we got our egg sandwiches. We ended up both like choosing garlic bread, so basically they're the same thing. Juo just has double bacon, and they look really good. They also look really big, and I don't know how to eat it. Just do your best.
You can choose their bread. They have a 3 kind of option bread, just normal and garlic and French toast. And
Yeah,
some with
French
some,
toast.
Some with some the other sauce too. So let's try it.
The garlic bread smells good.
Not feeling your mouth.
I don't know, man. That's so good.
Let's eat it.
Let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. Two places all at once. What's that what we said would come undone?
Okay, hey guys, so we just arrived Namdaemun Market at the Hoehyeon station. So when you come out exit 6, walk straight for maybe 2 minutes, and then you'll find the sign for Namdaemun Market. So at Namdaemun Market, you can go shopping, you can try a bunch of different traditional Korean foods. There's also a vintage-like area in here. If you want to see some more detail about Namdaemun Market, you should go over to our new channel, 꿀잼커플, and you can hear more details about Namdaemun Market specifically over there. Let's go, guys.
Feels like our minds have been turned off. Haven't seen each other for so long. I know this isn't us. Baby, pull me closer, let's fall in love. Oh, I can feel my body move to every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Okay guys, so we just finished in Namdaemun Market. We bought some things, and yeah, we really hope that you guys can find some cool things in there too if you go to check out Namdaemun Market. We're leaving now, but a lot of the street vendors are coming out with all of their food and fruit juices, so it looked really good too. But now we're going to take you over one more stop, one more station on the blue line. We're going to Seoul Station to see Seoul Lo, or in English, Seoul Bridge. Let's go.
'Cause we're dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one. You and me are moving. moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one. You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing.
In summertime, they use water put in here and then just put your feet in there and then just like a chilling. Do chilling in here.
Yeah.
Let's just keep on dancing as one. 'Cause we're dancing as one.
Okay, so we're gonna go down. And we're gonna go around Seoul Bay again and go to Icheon area, Han River area. The tour cruise in Seoul, the finish in Icheon.
Do every move you make, and I can feel the tension every time we're close. I know whatever happens, I will have you next to me. 'Cause tonight we have it all. 'Cause we're dancing as one. 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 You and me are moving. Make sure we get through this. Let's just keep on dancing as one.
Hey guys! We are finished with our 1-day Seoul itinerary in the center Seoul here on line 4, finishing here in Icheon.
Yeah, Icheon Han River Park.
So if you guys want to continue into more of like the nighttime, we suggest that you bring maybe a picnic pad with you
Or tent.
or a
if you
tent.
have.
And you can choose like any spot along the river here and set up for a little picnic and watch the sunset.
And if you're hungry, just you can order some delivery food like
Yes.
chicken or
Pizza.
or whatever you want.
Yeah.
It's Korea, this can deliver everything.
So we hope you guys had fun today going with us to egg drop in Dongdaemun History and Culture Park and the Namdaemun Market in Hoehyeon,
Yep.
and taking a little walk to Seoul Station
Solo.
and finishing here in Icheon's Hangang River Park. We hope you guys really enjoyed seeing that and got some inspiration for a 1-day course that you can do in the center of Seoul. So if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and we will see you next time.
Yeah. Enjoy your day, enjoy your trip in Seoul. Bye guys.
Bye!
See you later.